Hi everyone, welcome to the animation wizard, and in this video we'll see how to import 3D assets from Maya to Unreal. Okay, so let's start. For that I will jump to the Unreal, and here you can see in previous video we import 3D assets from Sketchfab and from Fab Store. Okay, so today we'll call the assets from Maya. Okay, so let's see. I will open Maya software, and here we have a 3D model watch tower. Okay, so for that we have some settings, and we need to do some changes in my model naming and the material naming. Okay, so just keep some different name for the model and material. So for model name, what I will do, just here the watchtower. Okay, so just make sure ki it's a model name. So you can write watchtower underscore mesh. Okay, so this is simply identify. You can identify this is the mesh, and if I will check the material attribute of this model, and here we have a material name M watchtower. Okay, so easily anyone can identify what is the material and what is the mesh. Okay, so that's fine, and just check the channel, and here you will see there is a clean channel because there is no value in translate and rotate. Okay, so your model is good to go. Okay, so what I will do, just select this, and I will export this model in FBX format. Okay, so what I will do, just select this model and file option, just click the file option, and here we have option export selection. Okay, so I will export this model in FBX format. So here in file type, just check FBX exporter. Okay, so if your plugin and yeah, FBX file is not showing there, just check your plugin option like window, and we have a setting in preferences and the plugin manager, and here you can find out the FBX. So I will just search FBX, and yes, you can see FBX Maya to FBX Maya.ml. Okay, so here you can check your plugin and it will be on, and just go to file and yeah, export selection, and here you can find out FBX. Okay, FBX export, and I will select the export selection, and in desktop I will write the name watch tower mesh. Okay, and here we have a one settings. Okay, in option you have to on a settings in your embed media. Okay, so I'll just click this embed media, and I will on this option embed media. That means it's a very simple, that means the media, that is the file, a texture you call on this model, will be embedded with this model. Okay, so you don't need to call the texture separately, it will embed in model itself. Okay, so I will just click on the desktop and export selection, make sure it should be on, and export selection, it's done. Okay, here we have result. So FBX file exported from the Maya. Now what I will do, I will jump to the Unreal. So this is my previous scene. Okay, just open the control and space bar for your content drawer, and here we have my mesh, and I will to import the FBX file in Unreal. What I will do, I will right click here and import to the current folder. Okay, so we'll check the desktop, and here we have this watchtower mesh. Okay, so you don't need to change or modify any settings, keep it everything default. I'll just click this import. So here you can see we have my material M watchtower material is there, and here my static mesh watchtower mesh, and here we have these two textures. That is the one is the your wood texture color and the normal. Okay, so yes, my model is there, and just click this static mesh and drag and drop to your scene. Okay, so you can see here it's very small. So what I will do, I will scale here, just lock this scale option and just change. I will keep it 25, something like this. Okay, so yeah, I will make it something bigger. Okay, and just place it. I will just just interact with this with your character. Okay, so for that, what I will do, okay, I'll just play. Yeah, so you can see, just make sure it will be match with this character, but here you can see the character size is the very big. It's not proportionally right. So what I will do, I will scale this watchtower, and we'll check the collision. Okay, so we'll keep it 100. Okay, okay, I need to scale more, but just check. Okay, so my model, it's colliding with this area because there's a collision. Okay, so it can't go inside on the stair. So okay, what I will do, I will just scale a bit. Okay, and just check the collision. So for the collision, what I can do, just click here, and here you have a collision. Alt C, just so you can see the collision option. Okay, so for this mesh, its collision is here. Okay, so that's why my character is interacting here only. Okay, so yes, and I will off this collision, and you can do collision, you can adjust the collision for every assets. So I uh, I will adjust the collision for this watchtower. So for that, I will just click in my content drawer, and here the static mesh. What I will do, I will just double click on this. Okay, so here my assets settings. So what I will do, I will just click here, and I will on the complex collision. Okay, so complex collision, just like a mesh collision. The mesh is itself convert in the collision object. Okay, so what we can do, just click the complex collision. Just I will on the complex collision, and here we have a detail and we have a settings of the collision. Okay, you can see here we have a collision, and just uh, check this collision complexity and click it, use complex collision as simple. Okay, and just save this. Okay, done. I will close this window and just check. So here the mesh is okay, the proportion is okay, and you can see the my character is interact with this. Nice. And here, okay, so here there is some issue with the scaling. Okay, so I will scale a little bit. Done. It's completely done, and I will place it here and there. Press end. On the snapping. Like this. Okay, and one more collision, one more object. I will place it somewhere else, like here. Okay, just play and just widget there. Okay, so now you can see your character is properly interacted with this mesh. Okay, so this is your 3D model from the mesh, from the Maya. Okay, so you can call 3D assets from Maya also. Okay. Okay, so thank you. Thanks for watching.